Well, alright, here we are. Larry's RC room. It's part 2 of the Bronco. I'm running the Injora wagon wheels and stuff on. This is going to be a test run for it. We're going to have us a good time with it. Let's try this thing out. You ready? Watching how the gleam forms. Almost 9mm wire lighted wheel in this thing. Good help it. And side wheel takes it. Everything I'm looking good. That side. Ain't no sidewall, boy. Let's just press it straight in. It's the top. Take a look right here. Got some forms on this one. Oh, look at that. Look at that conforming. Ain't no side over there. Just conforming and biting. Oh yeah. That's pretty. You have to excuse the wind if there is any. Trying not to be in the wind, but it's kind of tricky. We've had some rain, so we got some wet stuff going on. This right here is important stuff right here. No sidewall pulling at all, man. Just flexing in and out, and that's what we're at. Injora green intake. We're working it. Alright. See what they do conforming to this right here. Come on, little action. There we go. Doesn't know how to work that. These green inserts for this truck is perfect. Truck weighs in about 7.5 pounds. You can see that tire right there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Alright, we're gonna try this doggone bridge run here. See how this thing works. Oh yeah. Yeah. Somebody dug a hole for it. Hey, let's try coming over this way. Get my way in out of that hole. Oh yeah. truck does have some torque to it. Get a whole lot of that in the wrong spot. Alright, so here comes the true test for the sidewall flex, and this here is called Timber Down Run. It's part of the Craig Clamber Trail. But this will let you know how much sidewall flex your tires and your truck has. See if the bite without sliding off of that wood. Yeah. Oh, fish out. Breaking claws. Get it out on me. Oh. Oh, come on, come on. Yes, Bronco, you got it. I think the green Injora inserts with the Kraken claws, the deep dish tires, wheels, I think that Bronco's performing a whole lot better than what I ever thought about doing straight out of the box with the box wheels and tires under it. Yeah, I'm going to leave them on there. I do believe that fits that Bronco nicely. Hey, I thank you all for watching. If you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe. And stay tuned, ring that bell, and get notifications, I guess is what it's called. Yeah. Oh, man, I'm telling you what. It's gotten cold today. But the rain come in last night, washed everything out, washed everything down. Everything's good and clean and slick. But I had to get this run in. I wanted to run this truck after putting those green inserts in it. I'm liking them. They're good. They're good. Again, thank y'all for watching. Stay safe and play healthy. All right, and blessings from the Great Smoky Mountains in East Tennessee.